Hey, what is up guys? Hey Barbies and Kens. Today for you guys, I'm so excited about this video. This is not the last you're going to see. Probably next month I'll be coming with a brand new self-tanner to show you that I'm really excited to jump on the bandwagon of Instagram that everyone's using. But today I just kind of wanted to do like maybe a tips and tricks of like showing different tanning things. Now this is my natural skin color, and then the end of the video I'm going to show you tomorrow what this little bad boy pretty much does, and just like my little tips and tricks for like overall the best tan, especially whether you're using the most incredible product ever or just using this crap drugstore one. As always, I just want to remind you guys, if you like the video, please thumbs it up and subscribe to my channel down below if you're not already. I'm having probably a nice little giveaway. I will be letting you guys know here when I have it all together, but then also over at my Instagram too, and I will have more followed by that probably next month, because I think I'm going to do a giveaway for my birthday, so stay tuned for that. So with any kind of self-tanning regimen that you want to do, you definitely want to prep your skin. I want to say at least 2 days before you're going to be going ham. So what I like to use, and I know there are so many different products that are made for exfoliating your skin, but honestly, if you have your tanner and you're ready to go and you don't have your exfoliant, I use Apricot Face Wash. They have this at CVS or Rite Aid. You get the picture. Everywhere in your body, I like to say that you really just want to pay attention to your elbows, your knees, anything that's like creasy, because there will be a mark. But then also you want to make sure you get your legs. I always try to get like right from here, my foot, to my knee, because it just seems like my thigh, obviously I exfoliate, but it's right in there, my rough areas of my skin where it gets really dry. I've already had my tanner on, and like 2 days in, I could see it getting like coming off, and it just looks dry and rough, and you could just see my skin and then like a tanner, and it just doesn't look nice like this hair. So you just want to make sure you exfoliate everything really well, and then for the following like day or so, you want to make sure you're using vitamin A or E. This is just, again, from CVS, Rite Aid. You could just get a little container of any kind of skin lotion. I mean, as long as it has something in it that's going to be putting like moisture into your skin. So you might want to, as I crack this off my vanity, save your Bath and Body Works Fun products for after you have that glowing tan to keep it. I know they sell like tan maintaining stuff too, but any lotion for afterwards to me will do. Hey guys, it's the next day. So I used my Jergens Natural Glow. Here is my skin. I just put a little bit more on to show you guys. So I feel like day one is literally like your, where does it stop? Where does it end? So like for me, the wrist to the hands is always an issue. I'm always kind of just like reapplying on my hands, my face, obviously, because you scrub your face, you wash your face. So a lot of the times I reapply hands, top of hands, face. But I think this is actually like a really nice a really nice tan that it came up with, like a nice golden brown. But obviously after days 2, once it's in your skin, it starts to darken with this product. And I also like just like the next day too, to just, if there's like a splotch or a mark that I see that I missed, I just go in and fix it up. Like this, you could obviously see, like, it's hard to see with my lighting, like where the tan ends and where like the white is on my skin. So just like little odds and ends to fix up. But I do love this product and how it makes my skin look, and it's only like $10 for a can. So thank you so much guys for watching this little like tan informative video. Maybe when I get another product that I really like for tanning this summer, I'll let you guys know. If you guys like the video, thumbs it up, comment below what you want to see next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.